0.88 ounces tube of Crest Whitening Emulsions, wand applicator, stand for easy counter storage. Desinged to whiten teeth and freshen breath overnight. Better. Faster. 100% whiter teeth versus arc pen whitening. 1 minute apply sleep. Highly active hydrogen peroxide droplets in a water-resistant base to whiten teeth with virtually no sensitivity. Note: products with electrical plugs are designed for use in the U.S. Outlets and voltage differ internationally, and this product may require an adapter or converter for use in your destination. Please check compatibility before purchasing. You've never seen teeth whitening like this. Whiten teeth and freshen breath overnight with the next breakthrough in teeth whitening for overnight use. Unlike toothpaste and paint-on gels which dilute away quickly, Crest Whitening Emulsions create a micro-thin layer of active hydrogen peroxide droplets, so thin you cannot feel them. They stay on teeth longer to whiten teeth while you sleep, with virtually no sensitivity. Wake up to fresher morning breath. Crest Whitening Emulsions Plus Overnight Freshness is enamel safe for daily use with no rinsing or brushing required. This convenient size allows you to even whiten those hard-to-reach teeth by using the included wand applicator. It also includes a stand for counter display. Crest Whitening Emulsions removes over 10 years of stains in just 14 treatments. Versus arc pen whitening. Top reviews from the United States. Crest Whitening Emulsions. I use this at night. It is not as harsh as the strips. It does seem to keep the yellow stain at a lower level.